Gets him. Left-hand side, pre-stage on. Here comes Sean Wilhoit. He's in. Sean Wilhoit wins it as Canyon goes red. The diesel's in, the truck's in. Woo! Wow. There's someone in the right lane that lost a whole lot of money because he was not happy about that one. Boost up for more. He's in. Here comes the Dragon. Oh. Fighting the wheel stands the Dragon. Vincent Moore slows it down and gets the win.
And we're off. Tony gets a jump by Chris Spears. Oh my goodness, wall all over the place. Tony Michelli. Tony Michelli, you're a winner. We got 4 bowls. Here we go. Wheels up for Chris Pope. Gets him on the tree, going to the top end. Win line for the left lane. Chris Pope goes 6:01, 105 mile an hour. Chris Pope, your winner. Meltdown 6:0 index winner. Here we go. 1,000 separate him at the starting line. We're going to the top end. Win light turning on for the right lane. Robert Scroggins, we got a double breakout situation. Robert Scroggins, your winner, 696 at the top end, 94 mile an hour.